As a busy vegetarian, I am super intentional about what I eat in a day, especially because I have to fulfill not only my protein goals but I also want to stay full and not snack all the time. Today, I'm going to walk you through what I eat in a day to stay full, hit my goals, and not randomly snack throughout the day, especially when my work hours are hectic. So, welcome everyone. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Okay, so generally for breakfast, I really like to have oats, and there are a few reasons for this because oats are not only really easy and quick to make, but they're also really filling. They give me sustained energy, and because I up the protein intake, they keep me full for a long time. And anyone who is a working professional or is a super busy person would really resonate with me when I say that you want your breakfast to be really made in, say, less than 2 minutes, because then you can really start to focus on your work and begin your day. Okay, coming to lunch, this is my current favorite sort of hyper fixation meal. I love making these high protein avocado toasts, and I really love them because my husband started adding grated tofu on them, and I didn't even realize the taste difference because there isn't any. So this is something that we do all the time. We take a high protein bread, add some low fat cottage cheese, our avocados, and grate tofu on top, and then add all the spices that we love. This way my lunch is quick, I get all my essential nutrients, and I get to eat what I love every single day. Now post-workout, I do like to have a really yummy and delicious berry yogurt smoothie with a little bit of protein added to it as well. Essentially, I always have frozen berries at hand. So I have talked about this in my previous video, so if you haven't watched it already, I'll have it linked here so that you can go check that out. This smoothie is not only refreshing, but it also helps me reach my protein goals and fill in those gaps that I always talk about. So for me, dinner is different almost every single day, but I try to meal prep ingredients or sometimes full meals so that I can keep them in the freezer and eat them throughout the week. This week, my meals included a really good high protein tofu black bean patty, and I added it on wraps, or I could just eat them by themselves with some ketchup, and they're still very tasty. So let me show you how that was made. So yeah, you saw how easy it was to assemble the wrap. I had all the ingredients prepped in the fridge, and it just took me a few minutes to really heat up the patties and just make the wrap. And it was so filling and so delicious. This is my favorite weekly or bi-weekly rotation. It's not always these patties, but some sort of patties or a wrap situation that I love to put together, which is not only quick and easy but super healthy and tasty. And that is it, guys. This is what I eat in a day as a vegetarian, and it genuinely is that easy if you are okay with eating the same thing over and over again like I am, especially for my breakfast and lunch. I do try to switch it up for dinner, but this is what is working for me currently. Maybe it'll change in the future. Let's see how that goes. Let me know down in the comments below what you like to eat on a daily basis. Is it something you prep on Sundays, or do you make it on the spot? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.